Welcome to Belize.
Oh yeah.
And we're going to go to the city, town of Belize.
The vessel on your right hand side. The vessel on your right hand side. The vessel on your right hand side. Okay, making your home. So we will be back at this marina here at 3 p.m. Okay, that's the time to be returned in the evening. Okay, so yes, folks, as we continue going, how many of you have been to Belize before? No one? Wow. Yeah. Well, welcome to Belize. I know Belize is a Mother Nature well-kept secret, all right? But at the end of the day, what you folks will do? You will keep it a secret as well? Yes? Share it with the world. All right. Great. Okay, good. Yep. Okay, good. So yes, friends. So as we continue moving on, and to our tour site, which is the Maya Culture Medicinal Trail. That will be our tour for today. So folks, what to expect? So whenever we're heading on the road, I'll give you some information about the country of Belize and when we're going on the road. I'll be pointing out some areas where it is necessary, I'll tell you. And whenever we reach at the Mayan Center, then Mr. Saki, which is the other guide over the next side, will take over from there, alright? And you'll be given some time to use the restroom whenever we reach there. And then he will do his part of presentation right there at the center. And from there on, he will lead you to the trail, whatever his plan says, alright? So that is what you're going to expect, okay? For the culture and the medicinal trail, okay? So yes, folks. So behind the wheel here we have Mr. Andy. Let's say good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, should I ask him to stand and say good morning too?
No.
Alright, okay, good. So friends, he's a well-experienced driver. I have known him for about 90 years now. Yeah. And yes, and he earns his PhD in driving. Alright? Yeah. So yes, folks. And he's a well-experienced driver, so we leave him right behind the wheel there. Okay? So, friends, the one that will be interacting with you all, giving you some information about the country place. Yes, my name is Alejandro. Okay? I'm Alejandro. That's my name, alright? So yes, folks. So now, we're passing a community by the name of Mango Creek. Okay? This community started as a sawmill settlement. Okay? That's how this community has started. And look at it now. It has well expanded. It has about 4,000 in population. Okay? And the name Mango Creek gets its name from the vegetation on the coast, which is mangrove. But here in the country of Belize, we like to cut things short. Instead of saying mangrove, we say mango. But coincidental, as you look outside, you see mango trees, alright? We have about 13 varieties of mangoes right out there. So we have a lot of mangoes, okay? Yeah. So that is how this place was started. But it has two names. Mango Creek / Independence. That is this area. So we gained our independence from Great Britain on the 21st day of September 1981. And this community was expanding. So the expansion of the community, they call it independence. Alright? Yeah, so folks, whenever we're going, you will see food vendors, vegetable vendors, clothes vendors, those big stores. Alright? So we have the triangular park right over here. As I can see, they have started to decorate it already. What? We're so many days away. How much days? We're about 21 days. Yeah. There, but they have already started to decorate the
Alrighty.
area.
Next
All
up,
right? Yeah, as you
gonna
can
have
see,
the
we have main stores.
medicine man
Anybody, your
to
wife, your
explain
husband,
everything
your
to you.
friend, anybody, right?
Very, very ingenious
Here's
ways
what
of
we do.
healing people.
Listen to the music.
We'll just let him take care. First, there's a welcome dance, and that's what
You
he's
can
going
do
to
it
show you
this way,
now.
you can do it this way. It will be the same thing, okay? Just dance to the rhythm of the music. And we're good. Just take your time and get in there. And remember, music also helps to relax the body. Enjoy yourself and you become so peaceful and enjoy that. Being that, and you also have another set of instrument called the drum and flute, okay, which we also play the drum with the flute, and there's a dance, but it's always a dance that is more ceremonial for reenactment or for sometimes to recall back the incidences and so on, which makes Maya life very interesting. It's part of tradition. So what we did just now is the marimba music, and you know this celebration we do usually goes for 2-3 days. We don't do it like for a couple hours, we go for 3 days. The first day we rehearse, and then kind of like you rehearse but into it, make sure that everybody's okay with it. There's a lot that happens. It's a procedure, and it's culture, it's how we celebrate. And in the event, you have those who participate and not necessarily want to dance. We serve also small drinks made out of kind of like a wine. The name we call it in Maya is chicha, right? You make that, and if you find it difficult for you to dance, then you take a little drink.
Now we're a big drink.
After you take the little drink, then the smile starts, then the movement starts, then you're on the floor. That's the idea. You will not break away, you will just enjoy yourself. After a long while, another procedure, then food. It's a whole celebration. Everybody knows each other, we're all friendly. It makes us like brothers and sisters. We are a community. We don't fight, we celebrate. That is the nature in which we do this. And there are several festivities or celebrations or ceremonies that happens throughout the year, and we have to make sure that we observe the ones that speaks to us and that has to do with our culture. Okay? That's just goes wide. It's common in the tropical rainforest, but it's very useful for our survival, for our medicinal purpose. When do we use it? Well, many times we don't know it. We are always sleeping, we're always lazy. When you go and check with the doctor, it's not because you're lazy, it's because you have become diabetic. You're weak, you're not really performing because that's happening. We don't know that for sure ourselves. We take the bark, we take the root, we mix it. You see how that grinder, like I showed you? We grind it, and we grind it until it turns into liquid. In the liquid form, it becomes gel. Right? We make it gel, it does just form like that. And when it's in this form, now we call this pain away. And this treatment, or this pain away, is good for, sometimes how you have your knees, arthritis, rheumatism, lower back pain or upper back pain, swelling, muscle pain. You do this topically. This burns. But when you apply it there, it penetrates through, and you feel that heat there. It really helps to take away the pain. This is what we do. This is the most used item in this village because elderly people do have pain, muscle pain, etc. And that's what we use. So this is the gel, and this is the ointment. We also have it available in our shop. Yeah? Okay. The leaf is right over the sign right there, see? We split that in half, we catch our root. Then the second use is the heart of palm. We open the heart and eat it, perfect food. Then the third reason is the nut. Okay? So many of these on the ground, you pick up 50 bags, 60 bags, you crush it between two rocks. The kernel is inside. It's like marble size white. That's the one we want. And we go through 60 bags. We crush it. We don't cook this, only the inside in a pot. As soon as you start to cook it, it starts to drip oil. You boil it for 2-3 days, you get a whole lot of about 4 or 5 gallons of Kuhun virgin oil.